Hey guys, Singapore is a melting pot of cultures, and with it comes a rich tapestry of beliefs and practices. Among them, the mysterious world of black magic services has carved out a niche. From Thai and Malay black magic to the practices of bomos, occult shops are becoming increasingly visible in our local landscape. These shops, often discreet, cater to individuals seeking resolutions for personal, financial, or relationship problems. Services range from love spells to curses and even rituals for wealth and success. Thai black magic often involves amulets, spirit houses, and intricate rituals led by practitioners claiming ties to Thai spiritual traditions. Similarly, Malay black magic, rooted in traditional practices, frequently involves bomos, who are shamans who act as intermediaries with the supernatural. Such practices are usually advertised subtly or through word of mouth, social media, or coded messages on shop fronts. Despite their enigmatic appeal, these services raise significant ethical and legal questions, particularly when they target others. The legality of such services in Singapore depends on the specifics of what is being offered and the intent behind the service. While there isn't a direct prohibition against practicing or promoting black magic, issues arise when these practices involve fraud, harassment, or harm. Under Singapore law, practitioners could face legal action if their services lead to criminal behavior. For instance, charging a fee for black magic services but failing to deliver as promised, or deceiving clients with false claims can amount to cheating under Section 420 of the Penal Code, which carries penalties of up to 10 years imprisonment and a fine. If rituals disturb public peace or create nuisances, those involved could be prosecuted under the Miscellaneous Offences Public Order and Nuisance Act. Casting a hex or curse intending to harm someone could also constitute harassment under the Protection from Harassment Act. And threatening someone with black magic could be seen as criminal intimidation under the Penal Code. In extreme cases where rituals result in physical harm or death, the individuals involved could face charges ranging from voluntary causing hurt to culpable homicide under the Penal Code. While belief in the supernatural is not regulated, any actions exploiting such beliefs for monetary gain or harm to others can lead to prosecution. These practices highlight an ethical dilemma. On one hand, they cater to deeply rooted cultural beliefs. On the other hand, they often prey on desperation and fear, turning spiritual services into lucrative businesses. It is crucial to approach such services with caution and seek legitimate help for personal or emotional challenges instead of relying on questionable practices. Exploitation or harm, even under the guise of cultural traditions, crosses a clear line that must be addressed. If someone suspects that harm or exploitation is occurring, they should report it to the authorities. The mystique of black magic will always intrigue and captivate, but as a society, we must strike a balance between respecting cultural practices and protecting individuals from harm or exploitation. It is important to continue the conversation about whether these services are harmless traditions or if they cross ethical and legal boundaries. This ongoing discussion helps us remain vigilant against practices that exploit vulnerabilities while fostering understanding and respect for cultural diversity. That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.